Hello friends, my open source and Java friends and everybody else, of course. Did you know that most of the conferences put their content online for free after the event, of course? So I have an idea. Spend some of your lunchtime watching the conference's talks you like the most. Share your thoughts, create content, interview authors, and of course, mention authors and people who you liked most. And maybe, some bonus points here, check Twitter, what was happening on the day of the conference, or maybe even monitor the conference Twitter when it's happening. So this way you can attend the conference, which is actually quite expensive, or maybe you cannot go there because of some time issues. See you friends, bye.